and on we'll go.
If you can watch only one of my videos, this is the one, guys. So far, this is the most advanced project I ever done, most time-taking project I have ever done, and the cutest project I have ever done. This is it, guys. With this video, we're going to take this channel to the next level. So in this video, I'm going to make one 4-servo motor robot, and it will walk like a little puppy. So I tried to give it a look like a dollar from Richie Rich because I grew up watching that show and I love that character. Initially I was not planning for making this an IoT project, but later on I converted this project to IoT, and I added a camera for live video streaming and made an app using Blink. And from there I was able to control this bot and get the live video feed. And later on I added some lights, but the most challenging part was to calibrate all the 4 legs, and all the links, part list and circuit diagram and code links are in description. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel because I am ready to make more bots. Okay, so now let's go and see the construction. After constructing this bot, slowly I started getting success. First I was able to make this bot stand on its own leg. Then after some coding, this bot was able to walk. It was not walking perfectly, but it was able to walk.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Then I added old smartphone for video streaming and calibrated all the 4 servos minutely, and then it was able to work perfectly. Then I installed IP camera in Android phone and it started streaming live feed on local IP. So I entered that IP in Blink app and I was able to get the live feed like this. If you want tutorial video on live streaming like this, then please write it in comments. I will surely make an explanation video on this.
till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Then finally I added some LEDs to this bot so that I can control it from a distance even in dark places. And with this, we completed this project and time is for some testing.
turn us to thousands.